Did you know Istanbul is the only city in the world that spans two continents, Europe and Asia? With over 39 districts to choose from, where should you stay to truly experience its magic? Join me as I explore the best neighborhoods to stay in Istanbul and try to find my favorite one. Hey Wanderers, welcome back to F&D Wanderings. Today, we're diving into the heart of Istanbul to uncover the best neighborhoods for travelers. From ancient landmarks like the Hagia Sophia to vibrant nightlife, picking the right neighborhood can transform your trip. Let's get started. Picking the perfect neighborhood in Istanbul can be tricky. Do you stay near the historical landmarks? Or do you choose somewhere lively and modern? And what about budget and convenience? Today, I'll help you navigate the city's most famous neighborhoods to make your stay unforgettable. Sultanahmet is where Istanbul's history comes alive. From the majestic Hagia Sophia to the iconic Blue Mosque, you're steps away from Istanbul's rich past, perfect for history lovers. Next up is Beyoglu, a vibrant neighborhood blending old and new. Explore the Galata Tower, shop along Istiklal Street, and indulge in some of the city's best food and nightlife. Now let's hop to the Asian side. Kadikoy offers a more local and relaxed vibe, with colorful markets, waterfront cafes, and authentic Turkish street food. And finally, there's Taksim Square. If you're after a central location with buzzing nightlife, trendy restaurants, and easy access to public transport, this is the spot for you. So, after exploring all these incredible neighborhoods, my top pick is Beyoglu. It offers the perfect mix of history, culture, and modern energy, plus breathtaking views of the Galata Tower. It's the ultimate Istanbul experience. Each neighborhood in Istanbul has its own unique charm, whether it's Sultanahmet's history, Beyoglu's energy, Kadikoy's local vibe, or Taksim's buzz. The choice is yours. What's your favorite neighborhood in Istanbul? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to F&D Wanderings for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, Wanderers, keep exploring, keep wandering, and as always, F&D Wandering out.